Hi guys! For almost 3 years, everyone's waiting for the update review of our container house, and finally we have time to review it. And almost nearly 3 years na yung container namin. So bago lang to, from itong roof niya is from December 2024 lang siya na-install. So bago lang yan itong roof. So this is the update. So after 2 years, the overall integrity of the container house is still great. Konti lang yung parang touch up na, or almost wala akong ginalaw sa container. Yun lang, like kailangan ko butasan yung mga para sa wall fixtures. Ganun lang yung ginawa ko. And overall, I'm satisfied with the smart house quality ng container nila. Even wala siyang roof, hindi ko siya nilagyan for almost nearly 3 years. Okay pa rin siya yung integrity niya. Yung mga kalawang is very minimal lang. So it's normal kasi nauulanan siya, init, ulan, lalo na dito sa bukid. Like may mga bundok, nasa bundok kasi kami. Palaging umuulan, tapos mainit talaga siya if dry season. So this is very exposed na container. So I can say the integrity of the container house is of the smart house na brand ng and we are not promoting them because madami na masyadong brands ngayon, but yun sila yung sa kanila to na nabili namin. Then overall, I'm satisfied with the quality.
Luxury po ba or ordinary ang container house niyo?
So this container house is a luxury type. Nabili namin to for around 170,000.
Ay po ba or ordinary?
So nabili namin to. This is a luxury type ng Smart House Prefab Philippines. Nabili namin siya way back March 2022. So almost